To create a dynamic zoom effect, select a flip, go into the inspector panel, toggle on dynamic zoom, go to this section, click on it, there will be dynamic zoom written, click on the dynamic zoom, and the green rectangle is the starting point and the red rectangle is the ending point. You can choose wherever you would like for the starting point and the ending point zoom out to be. So I like the start point to be on this tower and the end point zoom out to the entire wide angle. You can choose any one of the effects: linear, ease in, ease out, and ease in and out. I like to use mostly the ease in and out effect, so I'll click on it and let's play. This is how you use the dynamic zoom effect. In case you want to swap things around, click swap on this and it will directly zoom into the tower. Is this more better? You tell me in the comments. Thank you.